So hello, this is part 2 of my build of jewelry using those LED TV straps that looked cool, and I used those little bezels that I found on the web for well, a few bucks for each. And I cut to pieces, and this is the end result. So I quite like it. As you can see, I put resin, and this time the resin is quite nice. I was a bit more precise because on the first trials you saw here I did on the hard drive. I wasn't using something precise enough, so I bought this little scale which goes to half a gram to a tenth of a gram, so I can measure precisely the two parts of the epoxy resin. And this one is also nice. I mean, I cut a bit smaller than what was the size, and I painted black behind so that the blacks comes, I think, nicely behind the gold. And all in all, I'm quite happy with the result. So I see that the precision of the way you measure the resin is very important to get a nice result. I had a few miss here because this thing is going a bit on top, so it's I have some little imperfections there, but otherwise I made a smaller one which is also quite nice, I think. And this one, yes, it's on the back. It was something which has no back, so it's a bit more complicated to fill in. And on the rear side, you see it's not very nice. So, but it looks cool, I think. So, all in all, just a TV strap. Cut it with a pair of pliers that I use for metal normally. So it's easy to cut with that. And buy some bezels, a bit of resin, and I've got nice Christmas presents for my wife, so quite happy with it. I sold it to my son, and he was found it interested and kept one for him. So I think it can be either for women or men, or I mean, I can think of other designs to use that, maybe for key holders, or I will work on that. So quite happy with the result. Just tell me what you think. If you think it's a nice result, I'll be happy to see the comments. And sorry about my fingers being dirty, because I've been working with another black paint this afternoon. So okay, that's all for today. Hope you like it. If you want to see part 1, I will put it there. I will make some other trials and come back with other videos on that if you think that's interesting. Thank you, bye bye.